In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable paper trading in ThinkorSwim. So in case you are already logged into your ThinkorSwim trading platform here on your computer, the first thing you have to do is exit out of it and then basically log off. Now when you do that, you want to reopen ThinkorSwim, and of course it's going to prompt you to log in. But before you do so, to enable paper trading, you want to go down here to the bottom where it says paperMoney. So click on that and it's going to turn orange from blue over here, and this means you can then go ahead and log in and you will basically enter the paper trading simulated mode. Now here, of course, in case you don't have this account, but if you have like a guest pass which also allows you to paper trade, you want to go to the settings button at the bottom left, and then here it's going to say account. Click on it where it says Schwab and select guest pass. Click on save and it's going to prompt you to restart, so just click on the restart button and then click on OK, and this is going to restart your ThinkorSwim desktop login page over here. It's going to start installing some updates. Usually this takes just a few seconds. If it's a bit longer, just wait it out, and whenever that's done, just like in my case, there we go, here you'll be able to enter in your login ID and then your password for your guest pass as well, and then press continue and you will enter simulated mode. So that's how to enable paper trading. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.